Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here, looking at hedging and diversification today as other means of controlling risk. We had earlier looked at TARA, in which we've spoken at length about transferring, avoidance, reducing and accepting risk. Now when we're talking about hedging, we are talking about risk management strategy in which the trader, the investor, the business owner tries to mitigate market risk and volatility. Market risk, volatility in the industry. And when we are talking about hedging, hedging will help to ensure that we minimize our risk as much as possible. Stand between not avoiding it and letting the opportunity slip by us because of the risk. So we try as much as possible to hedge. And when we're talking about hedging methods, we can talk about swapping, future options, and the like. There's so many of them, but the end result is to go into contracts that ensures we are able to minimize our risk at long run. That is the essence of hedging. It has a lot of advantages, like it limits losses to a greater extent, it increases liquidity as the facility investor to invest in various other classes of assets. Also, it requires lower margin outlay, that is, the money involved in controlling the risk, and offers flexible price mechanism. Basically, hedging ensures that we have the flexibility of going into future contracts concerning commodity, concerning security market. Now simply put, talking about diversification, don't put your egg in one basket. Simply put, you don't put your egg in one basket. And when we are talking about diversification, we can go into different business or classes of commodity or security to ensure that we do not put our eggs in one basket. And when we diversify, we can diversify horizontally, we can diversify vertically. All is to minimize our losses and to ensure that when one is down, another business is up.